To celebrate Halloween, Fleeky AI is offering 40% off in its yearly plans for a limited time, and even if you are watching this video late, you can still get a 10% discount. In this video, we will see how to get both these discounts, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get the 40% discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and you will be able to see the Fleeky landing page. Log in into your Fleeky account and click here on upgrade. Make sure you have selected yearly and then copy this code from here. Select any plan that you want and click subscribe now. On the payment page, click here on add promotion code and paste the code that you just copied. Click apply and you can see that we have received a 40% discount. Remember that this is a limited time offer, so if you are watching this video late, you will not get this 40% discount. But you can still get a 10% discount. Select monthly and click subscribe now. On the payment page, enter the promotion code FleekyAI10 and click apply. You can see that we have received a 10% discount on one of the monthly plans. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to use Fleeky, you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.